Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can export the video or how you can manage the projects on the Edit app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open the Edit app. I'm going to open this. And after opening the Edit app, as you can see, you have to choose the project. For example, I'm going to long press on this. If you want to create the duplicate of this, you can also do that. If you want to rename it, you can also do that. Or if you want to delete it, you have to click on the delete and now you have to confirm and this will be deleted. So in this way you can delete the projects and you can manage the projects. If you want to export a video, for example, I'm going to open this one here, and after opening that you have to click on the settings, like if you want in 2K or 4K or HD, and then you have to choose the FPS rate and then you have to choose the SDR and HDR. Once you are done, then you have to hit the export and then exporting will be started. So as you can see now it's exporting. So in this way you can export if you want to allow this. So let's click on the allow, and now if you want to share on the Instagram you can also do that. So in this way you can edit, so in this way you can export the video and you can manage the projects on the Edit app. And I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.